depression with every studio session, thinking everything around me should be straight. Then I get home, I feel alone, dead in my bed for 7 days, and it felt like the ring. And I do hate that I'm late to every day and occasion, cause I'm outside by my lonesome. Yeah, I'm blazing and I'm drinking and erasing most of my memory, fading with my patience, escalating with my mind, and it's amazing. All this time that I've been wasting, stuck in the concrete chasing payment, or paper chasing them paper cuts and hurrious quiet statements, mental escapements of sunken places, gaps in spaces, empty conversations. Haven't been myself, but you ain't say shit.
How could this be? Why you keep on playing with me? Tell me how would you do if that shit just falls back on you, and you just can't keep playing these games, fucking with my heart and my brain. Why, oh why you do me this way? Hoping that one day you'll change.
I haven't been myself for like a month now. I pick the pen up and put the blunts down. I'm trying to get myself about the slumps now, but it's like rapid fire when my brain starts to touch down. Feeling defeated, I really needed a hug today, right now. Feeling so empty, I rather simply smile. Instead, I usually frown. I don't know why this happens to me. Try putting my brain at ease, but it don't work that easily. I hope my grandmama's praying for me. When I'm at home, I feel so alone. No one to call, to talk on the phone. I'm all in my head, I'm all in my bed. I know what I said, I know what I said. Like,
how could this be? Why you keep on playing with me? Tell me how would you do if that shit just falls back on you, and you just can't keep playing these games, fucking with my heart and my brain. Why, oh why you do me this way? Hoping that one day you'll change.
I kill him by the threes, check ellipsis, headshot period, and eclipsing. Spit shit like I got a stuttering lips. I Spike Lee, these niggas acting too different. On my 25th hour, kid niggas didn't start my sentence. Cite me, line 16, listed me. He'll need some Listerine. Listen to these fleas, trying to sweat a bitch. Me in the pedigree, team theme, 3rd degree. Heard mute beats and had to murder these. Donnie chopped the vocals up and chopped some niggas too, so don't refer to me. I lead a stew to beef corridor, don't pass the reefer to me. You want the smoke, gon' quote on the murder scene. Crispy clean, Jimmy Dean, Cajun Queen. Heat them up and ante up and tell them fuck. Is that it? Alright, cool.
I might just need elixir, singleton with the picture. How I learn and burning incense while writing scripture. Some people scream while the Glock beam the scene, but not me and my niggas. Baby boy, my Polaroid 101 can never clone. To be frank with you, you're more Lenny, I be Jerome. Hella stone and still in bone, the shit they use to clone to Rome. No cap in my cypher, you'll get disowned and grown. Been in my city too long, can smell the sin of stones. Turn a catalyst into a cyclone and ride home.
Nah, fuck what they been talking about. They all yapping, yelling shot. The only thing that's loud is these dials that I have about. How capable these motherfuckers are. Trust me, they are not us. Trust me, way beyond the stars. What's a good getter? They all coupled up and then they think they dub steppers. Tell them get to stepping. I've been swimming in the deep with all the sharks and go drown, level up. Learn my lessons in the dark. Stepping in the light, my aura being glowing up. Encouraged, yeah, I had to take off the mask. Looking in reflections, all the questions that I had to ask. Looking at the task, thinking that. Oh yeah, the past, bitch, I'm far beyond the start. I give a fuck about this industry. We run these commas up. Financial freedom, play chess moves and move smart. Let it rock, I catch a vibe, I catch a fire, repeat the cycle, proceed to fast. You could've run a mile, I did this while I could've given all of this. Oh yeah.
Look, I thought I was my ego, my inner child still in fetal position. Clutch my stitches, I believe that I won't bleed through that makeshift facade that you believe to. Tried to build some walls, but they just see through. I beat my truest self if I just leave you. I thought I was my ego, wings spread it, we go through some things. Bet if I ain't keep it, let it take over that scene setting. Set it up for me again, I probably would fall, but I'd rather kill it now than to lose them all. I thought I was was my ego, thoughts of killing.
What the fuck?
Had to meet myself in thoughts of healing. Traumatic past tried to leak into adulthood, but this too shall pass. I was drowning, but now I sell good. For the soul I sold myself, on the shit I know myself. Y'all get to see me growing, owning on this fecal sowing. This shit here is humble omens. Before innocence was stolen, I still smile, no grills is golden, and I go in.
I come from fantasy. I get up on what I need to be. I just want you to be proud of me. I come from fantasy. I get up on what I needed to be. I just want you to be proud of me.
Proud of me. I had a little homie that I brought in, opened my door for him. Scars on his face, remains from the battles of the places that he had been before this. He was starting to try to feed him patience and knowledge, but he didn't take to it. He would vomit it up, refuse, abuse, complain through it. One day he said, feed me self over others. If vulnerable is weak, that's for sisters and mothers. I couldn't stop him. People in the neighborhood are talking, looking at me different for the company I brought in. My big bro called the other day and said to kill him. I would've did it myself, but he be steady slipping in and out of other people's lives, cutting and destroying ties. Right then I pulled out the 9 and had to end him. Hit the bus and beat on the mic over ego.
I think I missed that shit, dude.
Death of ego.
Where there's a wheel, there's a way. Unforgivable cycling sins, which make motorists mad and cyclists sometimes silent forever. Cutting in is a quick way to the mortuary, so is shooting out without regard for oncoming traffic. So don't.
It takes the sigh out of cycling.